Hello everybody and welcome to the Leader booth here at NAB 2026, where we have the LPX500, which many of you will be familiar with in its rack mount configuration, but we also have a desktop configuration, as you can see, with feet that allow you to adjust the viewing angle simply and easily, and a really convenient carrying handle, which allows you to move that around. So you get all the test and measurement analysis tools of the LPX in a very convenient form factor. If you want to learn more about this, visit our website at www.LeaderPhabrix.com. And if you want to see more videos about the test and measurement techniques and how to use these products, visit the Leader YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.